In my last video, we talked about 6 signs that your business is about to explode. It's an exciting place to be, but there's a trap that catches about 90% of founders as they start to win. I call it the silent killer, and today I'm gonna show you exactly what it is. And I will show you the 3 real-world AI systems to beat it. So, the silent killer, it's actually a success. Let me explain. When you start getting more customers, your first instinct is to work 100 hours a week or hire a huge team just to keep up. And this is statistically true for 90% of startups. And here's the reality. The old way, more customers, more stress, more payroll, and more mistakes. The new way, more customers, more automations. Instead of hiring a person for every task, you build a digital employee. And this is how you scale to the moon without burning out. Let me show you a few examples, 3 of them. I've built these 3 workflows for my clients. And the first one is AI Setter. We used a tool called Vapi to build a voice agent that triggers the moment lead comes to our system. It makes about 30 calls a week instantly. It qualifies a lead and builds a report before a human picks up a phone. And this one workflow saves my client 15 hours every week. The second one is the appointment agent, best suited for service-based businesses. Instead of you or your receptionist picks up the phone every time and get distracted, this AI handles the inbound calls. It checks your calendar, answers the questions, and books appointment directly into your system. It never misses a call, it never has a bad day. And finally, I want to show you my personal favorite workflow. This one is basically AI project manager, but it never sleeps, it never misses deadlines, it knows everything what's going on in our business. The way it works that I can message it or send a voice note and ask it to add a new task. And it's smart enough to know which department this task belongs to, who is responsible for this task, and what's the priority. Then it populates our ClickUp automatically. And of course, it works not only with ClickUp, but we use ClickUp. And I'm actually going to give you the blueprint for this one for free, so check in the description. These are just 3 workflows from hundreds of different workflows. And of course I can show you more, and if you want it, just let me know in the comments. But I was trying to make this video somewhat short. But yeah, this is the new reality. You basically can automate a lot of things, especially when you just starting getting more and more customers. If you are building startup and you want to help with automations, please reach out. You can message me on Instagram or visit my website or go to my LinkedIn. I'll be happy to help. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in 1 week.